The Roblox Error Code 2 message, failed to connect to the experience, please try again appears when your mobile device cannot reach the Roblox service. This usually happens due to bad internet, server issues, app glitches, or corrupted cache files. Here's how to fix this problem quickly on your phone. First, you need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Toggle your Wi Fi on and off and switch between Wi Fi and mobile data if it's not working. You need to also disable VPN, proxy, or data saver mode as well. And if the Roblox application is opened on your device, go ahead and close it and then reopen Roblox. For that, you need to remove the Roblox from the recent apps and try joining the experience again. Another thing you can do is you can update the Roblox. Go to Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Roblox application. And if you see an update button over there, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available, as outdated app often causes connection errors. Now you need to go ahead and clear the Roblox cache. For Android, tap and hold onto this application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down, go to its storage, click on clear cache. This fixes temporary corrupted files. And now restart your phone. A full reboot refreshes your network and system settings. And then try reinstalling Roblox if needed. You can also try checking the Roblox server status. Open your any web browser, search for Roblox server status, and go for it. Here you can see different websites such as Down Detector, Freshworks, Roblox status, and see whether the Roblox servers are down or under maintenance, due to which this error will appear for everyone. You need to wait until the Roblox is back online. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.